My bad, bitch.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay.
I'm trying to see if I can give her my battery for her to charge my camera because yeah, I threw mine away. Like, I know I threw it away because I got tired of seeing it. Like, I did, and I should have never did that. I should never did that. So, slicked up. Still kind of white trying I have. Y'all can't really see. I'm sorry. Wait. Yeah. I don't wanna hear you trying.
Pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be.
But y'all, I'm not even like big or nothing, and y'all, it's be hard to put this thing on. Like, y'all, it really do be hard to put this waist trainer on. I don't know if I'm the only one. Like, seriously. But I mean, I guess that's the point, and then you work down.
Down south, bad bitches, street shit, so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher.
See what video I'm going to film today, y'all. I have two binders that I use. I have a school binder, and then I have a content binder. This is my content binder right here. I probably need to like put stickers and stuff on here, like point stuff out. But this is my content binder. Y'all cleaned the bathroom up already. I need to clean this tank out. I really do. So I'm going to show y'all how I clean out my turtle tank. Well, I'm going to be giving y'all, I already told y'all it's going to be a productive day in my life. Basically, I got my waist trainer on because this is my turtle tank. I'm about to take them out. They're going to come out of the tank so bad, y'all. Okay, y'all, this is one of my turtles. Stop all that running. Clock that tea, girl. Stop being mad. Say, hey, calm down. Say, hey, calm down. I see how the tank looked before, like, the water went, like, down a lot. And it's like, y'all, they playing. And nobody's trying to play right now. I'm not trying to be all messy with this, y'all. What? You chilling? Stop, little twin. You're not even little. You okay, y'all? Say hey. Right though, it's still going. It's still going. We got 1,000. We got 1,000 tickets. I told y'all. I told you. 1,000 tickets. I told you. I told you. 1,000. It's still going, boo. It's 1,000 tickets. It's still going. It's still going. Woo! Woo! Homie, look. Y'all see that? Daddy got it. I don't know where he got it, but yeah. We gotta wait till Daddy get back. Okay, y'all, this is my sister. We
trapping, grab bitches and making bail, ho. Yeah, glow. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, ho. Yeah, glow. No competition, these bitches fail, ho. Yeah, glow. Curbing, no curbing, my shit.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is polite. Tell me in the humble type. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm tryna go up tonight. All the hope you said the right. I just wanna put it in fantasy.
No, I haven't. No, I haven't. How you know that? 7, delete that. Y'all, I'm behind the wheel, and it's about to get serious. Anyways, body team.
I didn't know he was like that.
Y'all, my sister in the back. 7, get in the vlog. Get in the vlog, boo. What's up? We about to go cruise in, drive in. Y'all get in something so y'all can.
Yo, the waist is
Body team.
yes.
Body team, coochie good. Y'all, I want to
Okay.
drive. 7, help me.
You want to grab some ass?
Y'all, where the thing at where it say driving out today? This it?
Oh, first of all, don't touch none of it. I ain't never done no bitch, no. I don't even trust myself. You gotta
This is one of my chargers, y'all. Maybe give them some names. Go ahead, boo, go. No, too slow. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, you wanna play? Go. Stop, baby, y'all. Stop all that running. Shut on. Say hey, Bookie. Let me play. Why did I want to go? What is it? Y'all think it's gonna jump? Why are you trying to jump? Right. Stop. Trying to go. No, we're still doing. Yeah, they charge for some shirt. Okay, y'all, so yeah, I'm not done. I still have to add the filter and stuff. But the thing I was using to add the water, it broke. So we're gonna have to do that tomorrow. But they in here, y'all. And yeah, I still gotta add like a lot of stuff. But y'all see? 20. They want to act like they ain't want to eat y'all, but they. Yeah, I feed them like. They get flake food, they get pellets, you know, vegetables. Okay, y'all, so yeah, I'm not done. I still have to add the filter and stuff. But the thing I was using to add the water, it broke. So we're gonna have to do that tomorrow. But they in here, y'all. And yeah, I still gotta add like a lot of stuff. But y'all see? 20.
Take you farther than Mexico. Yeah, yeah. You still got niggas hard pressed to you though. I know you.